Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for July 8th, 2015. We're going to have a cold front moving through today, and because it's coming through earlier in the day, we're expecting this to start off pretty early, and it's going to eliminate any chances for severe weather for our coverage area today. There could be some thunderstorms here for our southeastern areas later today, but I think for areas north and west here, we're pretty much out of that picture. With these showers and thunderstorms, these showers rolling through here quite early. Let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulator radar just to give you an idea of what we're talking about here. This is looking at 5 o'clock in the morning. You already have showers extending from extreme northeastern PA all the way back into south central PA. As we go further in time, just this light shower activity will continue in eastern PA. Here's 8 o'clock moving to northern New Jersey. But you see, by noon, it's pretty much done over with here in northern northeastern PA. Matter of fact, we should turn to mostly cloudy skies here at this point. Might even be a few breaks of sun up farther north here, but further south, the showers continue. Here's 11 o'clock, where it starts moving into southeastern PA, Delaware, and eventually South Jersey. And then we might get a little bit of window of clearing here, but the frontal boundary being further south at this point, frontal boundary is now situated south of this region here, and because of that, and ahead of it, where they're going to have the best heating occur, we do expect some thunderstorms to initiate across Maryland, and we'll head into extreme southeastern PA, Delaware, and South Jersey as we go through the course of the evening. Here's a look at 5 o'clock. Nothing, again, going on up to the northern areas here at all because they're north of the front, and, of course, you have that sinking air and drying out going up north of that frontal boundary. But further south, it could have some storms here. Could produce some pretty heavy rainfall if you get under one of these cells that produce heavy rain, and that could continue through the evening hours here. But I don't think this lasts all night either. I think this goes just through the evening hours and then starts to dissipate as time goes on. So Wednesday evening in this area should be wrapping up, say after 8 o'clock, should be the end of the showers and thunderstorms for our southeastern areas, where it has already ended farther to the north, and it'll stay mostly cloudy further north as well, with no showers expected in the afternoon. Then we get into Thursday. Thursday we'll start off mostly cloudy in the morning, and then we have an increase of clouds, and then we have these showers and storms coming in here from the west. This will initiate our western counties later in the afternoon, and by the evening here, by the time we get to about 8 o'clock in the evening here, we get showers and thunderstorms across a good portion of our coverage area, except for maybe the extreme southeastern areas. But a good batch of some pretty heavy rain moving through here, and may affect the both home games for the Iron Pigs and the Reading Fightins. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. After that point, this precipitation will move a little bit further. This is now looking at the late evening, about 11 o'clock in the evening on Thursday, and then finally it starts moving off just after midnight, exits the coast. So this is not going to last all night Thursday night. This is just an evening type deal, and a pretty quick mover, an area low pressure moving from the Ohio Valley. Let's look at that from a broad perspective here and why it's doing that. We have this front that's still looking at Wednesday now, Wednesday evening, with the showers and thunderstorms across our southeastern areas, and then we go a little bit further here into the overnight hours. It starts to dissipate. Here's your area low pressure that's moving from the Ohio Valley. It's going to move right across our coverage area here, we think, on Thursday evening and overnight, and as it does so, provides those showers and thunderstorms that are going to come through up until about midnight or maybe shortly thereafter. Then it rapidly clears. You're going to have high pressure moving in behind this, and this high pressure is going to be quite strong. It's going to set up the weekend to be a fantastic weekend, so it's going to block anything else trying to come in from the Ohio Valley. This is going to be blocked because we're going to have high pressure sitting right over top of us. This is a roadblock here, so we'll not allow anything to come in. It's going to set up over New England this weekend, give us a very nice, at least Friday and Saturday, and perhaps even Sunday too. And new indications are that Sunday will be dry across our coverage area as well. But you can see it starts coming towards our area here, and it's deflected to the south, so it cannot come into the coverage area, and it stays south. And not good news for DC, but it will be for our coverage area, we think, and everything else follows suit, staying south here. We're now looking at early Sunday morning here, and the next round also heads south because of that high pressure in place, keeping everything at bay. Next chance of thunderstorms will come on Monday, but these are just going to be air mass thunderstorms. Nothing really organized here going on here. Just heat and humidity will allow for the chance for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Still left an isolated thunderstorm in the forecast for late Sunday and again late Monday. Isolated in both days just because of the air mass in place we're starting to get into Sunday. We're going to see an increase in the heat and humidity, whereas Friday and Saturday we have a northwesterly wind flow, and that should keep the temperatures still on the warm side, but we're going to keep the humidity lower on both Friday and Saturday, but we're going to increase that on Sunday with southwesterly winds taking over, which will continue right into Monday with the heat and humidity. So an air mass thunderstorm possible both days with that tropical air mass in place. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for July 8th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.